Myself, Sunil Kumar Khichi, Assistant Professor, Engineering College, Ajmer. Today, I teach design issues in distributed operating systems. First one is there are several types of design issues. First one heterogeneous, openness, security, scalability, failure handling, concurrency and transparency. Distributed operating system is a model where distributed applications are running on multiple computers linked by communications. Locash and Microch are the best example of distributed operating system. Using Locash operating system, it was possible to access local and dist- distanced files in uniform manner. A distributed system is a collection of independent computers that appears to the users of the system as a single computers. The key goals of distributed distributed system include transparency, achieving the image of single systems image without can cancellation the details of the location, access, migration, concurrency, failure, relocations, perspective and resources to the users. Persistency and resources to the users. First one is communication primitives. Message passing, RPC, DSM, distributed distributed shared memory, support to error handling in case of communication failures. Communication failures. Name location mapping can be centralized, replicated. Namespace can be hierarchical or flat. Typical there is a name server to be provide the mapping. Next one is resource management. It is impossible to gather information about utilization or availability of resources coherently. Next one is processor allocation. Processor allocation, load balancing, hierarchical organization of processors. It is a processors cannot handle a request, ask, take parent for help. Process scheduling. Next one is process scheduling. Communication dependency has to be considered. Next one is fault tolerance. Next issues. And this is fault tolerance. The design should consider distribution of control and data. Distributions of control and data. Next one is services provided. Typical services include name, directory, file, time. Last one is inter-process communication. Last issue is inter-process communication. There are three types. First one is message passing, remote procedure calls and shared memories. There are three fundamental design issues that must be addressed in design on IPC schemes: blocking or non-blocking, reliable or unreliable, buffered or unbuffered permissions. Some design issues in distributed operating systems. Thanks.